which he got 22 days credit, so.
I don't know. I mean, I think the last time we had said a year, right?
We set it for a trial, I think, on the 22nd-ish, and he wants to plead to 180. No, okay.
Whoa, hold up, this is a big shift. They were gearing up for a full trial, and now the defendant suddenly wants to plead to 180 days? What happened in the background to spark this change of heart?
Is there anything the court would accept? No.
Well, where's the chick going? I don't know.
Excuse me.
Where's she going? Where's she going? Come up. Over and over and over. And I don't know if that's what it is that's causing everything in all these cases, especially that it could be due to all that. You now tested positive for cocaine, fentanyl, what else?
An alcohol, Judge.
Alcohol. You're on bond for 5 different violent cases. Goes with you. I'm sorry, Mr. Booking. What I would like to do, because obviously now, we now know that there may be a more substantive issue that may be causing all this. So what I'd like to do is have him TRS to see how we go forward. But I'm not going to just continue to take these cases where we're basically pleading guilty, throwing him in there 30 days, gets out, and he picks up another felony. We have now 4 or 5 open felonies? No. I'm not going to continue to perpetuate this revolving door of you picking up a case, getting out, picking up a case, getting out, picking up a case, and now you're testing positive. No.
15 violations. 15. At this point, it's not about punishment, it's about public safety. Do you think the court should keep giving chances, or is it time for a harder line? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
We will now, and why you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, now 15. It ends today. Goes with you? And we'll have them to your ass. Let's see what it says, and then, but I'm not just going to continue to do the same thing in hopes that when it gets out. So, send it for TRAS. We'll come back in a couple days, get the report, and let's see what they say on how it goes. But I'm not going to just continue to do the same thing and hope for a unicorn, because it's just not going to happen. You know?
I would like to just.
It's up to you.
I would like. I mean, if. Right.
Let's figure out what's going on.
Sure. I just want to see what option, I mean,
Sure.
Obviously, as his attorney, I want to see what his options are and meet with him.
And I don't want you to do anything that you are not kosher and not happy with, you know? Before if he says no to what they say, then we just go try. And we'll go one after the other. Just be ready. Please. Okay. Should we, I guess.
Here's what just happened. The judge is trying to fast-track a TAS, or treatment assessment screening. It's a smart move. Instead of throwing someone back into the system, they're digging for root causes. Mental health, substance abuse, it all matters here.
Set him, like, for Friday or something and see, I don't know.
There's no way. It's now 11:30. Till tomorrow, he's still going to be processing. Right. So we can't start the TRAS until he's out. Latest will probably be Wednesday is when we get it done. I would say we probably will have to.
He'll be set for bail review automatically, right? For Wednesday or?
But if he stays in holdover, somebody can come over there.
We usually have people come here to do the TRAS here, to try to expedite it so that they don't sit there for a week or 2 weeks, you know, because we want to, it's not the idea is just hold, just for the sake of holding, is to get everything done quick so you guys can make the informed decision quick. And we'll see, and then try to get to the cause, because, you know, before there's a murder case, because he's using and he does something that's irreparable, you know?
I understand.
I mean, how many times have you seen it? Mr. Guest, you are charged with possession of marijuana. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. Your case is 180 days now. You have taken off multiple times on us. It is now time to figure out what we're going to do with your case. I'm going to appoint you a lawyer today, and we will figure out what we do with your case. Do you understand? Take a seat for me in the jury box. please.
I am here for, no, you're good, thank you. Mr. Guest, Brandon Guest,
So he's on bond for felony continuous, picks up a weed case about 180 days ago.
But just, but I kind of told the sense about the case, if A, the felony PCI has and B, if he completes that, I would step a felony next month, or this coming month in April.
Okay.
I should let the court know what,
So you have an offer of what means?
essentially completing whatever the felony PCI is, keeping that, but
Well, how long is that supposed to take? I mean, I can't.
I mean, if he doesn't get it done this month, in April, the second April,
Yes.
second.
Yes, Judge.
If he
So, come up, Mr. Guest. So what I'm gonna do is,
let me check the date.
today's the 31st, I'm just gonna set up a trial now until after that date.
And boom, ankle monitor time. The court's done playing tag. This isn't just about tracking, it's a trust test. If he runs again, it's straight to jury trial. No more resets.
it's set for April 22nd. Judge.
So I'm setting you for trial now. If you don't have it done,
Maybe that.
then, but otherwise I'm putting you to trial.
Yes, sir.
So he will be set for the 29th, jury trial, April 29th.
Yes, Judge, thank you. I'll be excused.
Mr. Guest, I'm now going to put a monitor on your ankle so I know where you are at all times. If you take off again, I'm going to know. It's jury trial for 29. Okay, we'll see you soon.
Thank you, Judge.
May I be excused? Thank you.
You didn't answer the
Mr. D,
That's not.
Mr. Down, we got to leave. Hold on a second. You really want to do a probation with Mr. Proctor?
That's what he said, Judge.
You couldn't even stay out of trouble, you're on bond. Why do you actually think that you can make a probation?
Oh, he's not showing us.
Yeah, I've heard that before. How many times have I heard that before? How many bond violations have we had?
This moment hits hard. The judge isn't just throwing shade, she's laying out the harsh truth. Probation isn't a get out of.